Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update iPhone iOS without losing health data, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by ensuring your iPhone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Next, check that your device has sufficient battery life, ideally above 50%. To begin the update process, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and select General from the list. Then, tap on a software update to check for the latest iOS version. If an update is available, you'll see an option to download and install. Before proceeding, it's essential to back up your health data. Open the Health app and tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Select Export All Health Data. Choose a location to save the exported health data file. Now return to the software update screen and tap Download and Install. Agree to the terms and conditions when prompted. Your iPhone will start downloading the update. Once the download is complete, tap Install. Your device may restart during the process. After the installation completes, your iPhone will boot up normally. To restore your health data, open the Health app again. Tap your profile picture and select Import Health Data. Navigate to the location where you saved your exported health data. Select the file to import your health information back. Once the import is successful, your health data will be restored. Finally, check the Health app to confirm all data has been properly saved. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.